It's known that Bollywood actress Priyanka Chopra is debuting on international TV with the show Quantico in September this year. Updating her fans about the same, the actress took to microblogging site Twitter recently, where she shared the latest poster of the upcoming show. Captioning the picture, Priyanka tweeted, "En route to begin work on #Quantico. But first there's this, an exclusive look at the official poster. You like?" The official poster for ABC's Quantico shows a handcuffed Priyanka staring right back at the cameras, perhaps under unexpected circumstances.